Okay, so I was really lucky to receive one of these Stone System Ds chopped €0.5 here, but anyway, it works absolutely fine. Here's what the key looks like, and yeah, the most interesting thing is probably the keyway and the key itself. So we have a dual blade key here, and yeah, look how cool that looks. It's really nice in point of pinning. It's pretty similar to the IX10 or IX10 KGs with these, I think, isometric pins are they called? Yeah, they're not round, they're teardrop shaped, so they don't rotate, because we have obviously 2 rows of each 5 pins in there. And it took me a while to get the first open. I have one open so far. And I expected some standard pins as drivers and maybe 1 or 2 T-pins, yeah, similar to the IX10, for example. But it certainly isn't. I think all the driver pins are T-pins completely. So yeah, the pick itself is a little bit exhausting, because we have some noticeable feedback at the beginning, some core movement. But then it's basically an endless back and forth and looking for the T-pins, and I think they kind of tapered. I don't know, it took me ages the first time, so let's hope that it goes a bit faster this time. Anyway, let's start. So counterclockwise tension, and the left side will bind first. And yeah, wish me luck. So pin 4 is the next one. And I'm really careful, because I think oversetting is a really huge problem with this lock. So there was a tiny bit of movement. I'm going to switch over to the other side. Maybe this was already an overset. Bounce a little bit. Okay, I think I don't have enough reach with the short hook here. I'm pretty sure that the 4th pin on the left side, which is a pretty high lift, is still not in position. come on. I'm pretty sure that it's not that far away from the open. Was actually the same on the first open, so I was poking basically back and forth. Click here and click there. And then all of a sudden it opened. Oh, and there we go. Yeah, I don't know. I think the lock is very, very cool in my opinion, but I can't really say that the open is very satisfying. Because I just can't say that yeah, it's a tiny bit of feedback. Very, very, very small little clicks all the time. Yeah, but anyway, an open is an open, I'm sorry. And let's just check what's inside here. Okay, so I will keep it like that because there are, I think, 1 or 2 master wafers inside there, and I would like to know to which shear line I picked it. Okay. Oh, come on. No. No, it should work. Or not. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. Okay, there it's back in. Yeah, sorry, this is not the most elegant way to unbrick it, but it works surprisingly well. Okay, so lessons learned, always use a shim properly. Okay, so where was the issue? So probably at the very beginning. Okay, second try. Really wondering where it catched. Probably is probably one driver fell into one of the keep-in channels. Okay, but anyway, let's start. there's already a wafer. I don't know where that came from, probably fell out at some point. Okay, maybe I should just stop with trying to check which shear line I picked a lock to. Okay, so here's what the core looks like. And no modifications on the chambers itself. And let's check for the driver pins. Where's my... oh, great. Oh, there it is. Okay. So here's the first driver, and just to show you what I mean with T-pins, they all have this tiny little step here at the end. I don't know if you can see that. This here. And I'm pretty sure that they all have been the same. I got it a while ago. And yeah, on this one, again this step. Oop. Okay, there we go. 2, 3, 5, and 10 springs are there. Okay, so let me give you a little close up. As you can see on the driver pins, which are all on the right row here, this row and this row, they have all this little step here at the very end. So, and I'm pretty sure that this leads to the awkwardly ping-ponging effect. And yeah, but anyway, I really like this lock, and even though the open wasn't that satisfying, an open is an open. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.